Let's talk about the new stock market, especially prepping for the new year 2024. The new stock market is not like all those old newsletters you've been reading to buy gold, buy energy stocks, buy those commodity names, fight that inflation hedge. That's over. That's dead. Quite frankly, that's boring. What we're starting to see is risk on. You're seeing biotechs, cryptos, AI stocks, small caps all start to soar as we have interest rates possibly coming down. We're also having inflation cooling off. So investors that are getting 5.5%, 5.25% in a money market fund, now that's starting to come down. If interest rates get cut, where is that money going to flow? Into risky stocks that have been beat down. And remember, the stock market is always forward-looking, hence why you're seeing biotechs, which have been crushed really since COVID. You're starting to see moves in biotechs, not only on FDA and PDUFA approvals, but even intraday, 20, 30, 50% moves in some, like CCCC the other day. We're also seeing the Bitcoin miners, names like Mara and Riot Blockchain, start to surge, with some of these stocks up 50% in the last month alone, and continue to see buying pressure each and every day. No matter what the price or how spot Bitcoin's reacting, they don't even care anymore. There's so much anticipation of a Bitcoin ETF that investors want exposure, and they can get that with cheap names that can move from a higher percentage point of view than spot Bitcoin, which is Riot and Mara. We're also seeing the AI stocks. Yes, is AI a bubble? Was it a buzzword over the past year? 100%. But even the large cap tech names like Microsoft and Google, which have AI exposure, they have been relentless bullish setups, and they continue. Your other names like Palantir, like Path, P-A-T-H, Palantir, P-L-T-R, these names are starting to make a very strong move to the upside, breaking out. And of course, you have near names like C3 AI, but that's old news. That's too mainstream. We don't care about that one over here. We're also seeing, and this is shocking, but IWM, which is a small cap ETF, which makes up mostly of, well, financials, specifically regional banks. Remember that whole regional banking crisis we heard about months ago? Well, that's gone. The market has looked past that, and you're starting to see the regional banks and even the big banks like Goldman Sachs, like Bank of America, like Morgan Stanley make a massive move to the upside, with the Russell 2000 up around 20% in the last few weeks of trading. Talk about rotation out of the old stock market into this new stock market, and it is making trading absolutely fun and phenomenal for an active trader like myself. Let me know what names you've recently started trading in the comment section below, and what also stocks you're looking forward to for 2024 to have the breakout year that maybe they're undiscovered, or maybe they've just been beat down and it's time for a comeback. I'm Ippolito. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video.